Are you ready to climb the ranks of trading elite? Welcome to FundedNext Competition Leaderboard, your gateway to glory. Let's dive right in. First thing first, sign into your FundedNext dashboard. It's where all the magic happens. Got your eye on the prize? Click the competition tab and feel the pulse of the market. Step into the arena by hitting profile under your chosen competition. Ready for the big reveal? Click Leaderboard and watch the top traders emerge. Check out the top 3 traders dominating the charts. But wait, there's more. Wanna know how you or your fellow traders are doing? Just search by name or filter by country. Type in a name or pick a country and bam! Instant insights into their trading prowess. And just like that, it's quick and easy and keeps you in the competitive loop. Stay sharp, trade smart, and maybe you'll see your name up there next time. Until then, keep trading and keep winning. Hit subscribe for more trading hacks, and remember, every trade counts. This is FundedNext, where traders become legends.